What's up, everybody? It's Skips, and today we are starting a new series. It's called The Grinder, and this is going to be episode 1 of The Grinder. We're going to be doing a couple more episodes, but The Grinder is basically we go into clan matches, GBs, UMGs, anything like that, and we're just going to grind out the shit out of them. That's basically what it is. And right now, I guess, first episode's going to be Domination on Strike Zone. So let's try to get this.
Domination.
There's people talking on my team. You guys aren't gonna be able to hear that. Yeah, I can hear them. He's annoying, but you're not gonna be able to hear them because autos with the Xbox One. It's stupid. You can't.
Secure your objectives. Securing C.
I'd rather change my settings. As I'm getting shot at, this is not good.
Target secure. We're in the lead.
Terrible.
Enemy has A.
Oh, you guys are terrible.
Aim.
The grind.
Securing Bravo.
That gives my teammates an opportunity to grab B easily.
B secure.
See? Perfect. I'm a perfect teammate. Never need to drop. I'm just kidding. I just had a really good start for some reason.
Losing
Ooh,
Charlie.
to make it on the catwalk. Get that kid.
We lost Charlie.
Kobe.
Charlie secure.
Dad and... Oh. I would call out to these guys, but I mean,
Losing Charlie.
I kind of want to mute them at the same time.
We lost Charlie.
Just need to grab
Enemy has
A.
C.
Watch this kid's pro so he can grab A. Oh, one kid. Black Sharkeisha running out to the front. Before, oh my god, that spawn.
Losing B.
Okay, you guys can't hear him, but he was screaming not even a fucking hit marker, and I think that was funny.
Bravo secure.
I'll try to get them in a fucking spawn trap, but they're probably gonna run through pro. Not even a hit marker. See, now I have
Losing
a
Alpha.
complaint of the not even hit marker.
We lost A.
So far, our team's doing pretty good. I mean,
Enemy has A.
they grab A, we grab C. It's perfect. The rotation. I just got one bulleted. Please tell me that was a headshot. Oh, thank God. If that wasn't a headshot, then I would have cried. You don't just get one bulleted in this game. In real life, head, yeah. You're gonna get one bullet. I feel like I'm rambling on. Banana bus. How close is this kid? Where'd he go? Yeah, whatever. Dude, he knew I was there. He was just pre-aiming damn catwalk. Because, you know, everybody goes Gotta go off.
Securing A.
Ah, one more, dude. Kill him, please. Oh, you're... Pitch it up. Pitch it up.
We've lost the lead.
Stay alive.
Securing A.
You can't even hear me. I don't know why I'm accidentally talking into them.
A secure.
I need to spawn in. There we go.
We're in the lead.
Ice skating. I'm a camper. I got my little fire right there. I got my tent. Oh God. You got both of us? You shoot. Love it. You guys scared. You guys scared. Scared.
Steady aim.
They're scared. This is a great 2-cab. They can't get out. Fuck. They're eternally fucked. Aw, damn it.
Losing
On.
A.
We all went down. We all went down. And
We lost A. Enemy
I was
has
wrong.
Alpha.
I'm sorry. come down the stairs, are you sure? Killed him! Oh, I was killed by somebody else.
Securing A.
That made me... I scratched my back. Sorry. I don't have a back scratcher, so that's the best I have. Man.
Alpha secure. Time's almost up. Losing Bravo. We lost Bravo.
No, you didn't. You didn't. He just yelled that he had that. But
Securing
there's no
Bravo.
way he had that. He was stunned.
Bravo secure. Steady aim.
Not even close to having. Bag it. Just get on their side. Oh, I'm kind of carrying this, but I mean, whatever. We still got another round over here. Still got another round. By the way, if you haven't noticed, I used to have the Aeon gamer tag, but now I'm part of Volt Gaming.
Halftime.
It's just a better opportunity for me. Use that skin.
Domination.
Volt has host. I love it. I probably do, honestly. I wouldn't
Capture
doubt
the
it.
objectives.
Oh, no, maybe not. Actually, my shot's really
Securing
shitty
Alpha.
there. I haven't done a warm-up game, by the way. Best I've gotten is getting into a game that's already
Enemy has
started.
Charlie.
Me backing out. I don't know if that's
A secure.
all I've got.
We're in the lead.
Is that host? Is that host, buddy?
Securing Bravo.
Dude, how would you expect me to be there? In your spawn. You were just expecting me to just jump from there. And attack you like a fucking shark. In the
Losing
Pacific Ocean.
Alpha. Losing Alpha. We lost A.
I didn't get that kill. You can't complain about me getting a two-piece and that being host.
Alpha secure.
I didn't get the kill. I say we challenge C and getting trapped in B. It's my best.
Losing Bravo.
They're camping C because they have gay ass teammates.
We lost Bravo.
Killer.
Enemy has B.
He doesn't know how to play Call of Duty, bro. Well, I'm gonna go front. Everybody is trying to swarm kitchen. I'll cap that. I look like a team player and I'm not just a slayer. That rhymed. That was awesome.
Losing Alpha.
We lose a teammate? No, where the fuck? We're all here.
We lost Alpha.
That was off my screen, I swear to God. I cannot see a forward. Call me host, Kryza. Don't call me host.
Securing A.
You guys can see his little blip go up. He talks. I can't hear him. Ooh, the knives! The knife! Shit, that guy... I feel like that guy's going kitchen, so I'm gonna... Knife my testicle. Just fucking
Losing
cut my
B.
balls off right there. Dude. Kill that kid.
Enemy has Alpha. We lost
He is a
Bravo.
good Thank you, teammate. Oh, I got the honey badger. Nope. Get that off my hand. Ugly. Ugly duckling. Honey badger's the ugly duckling. So...
Securing
I'm
A.
not carrying as much now, which makes me feel better on my team. Oh shit, I need to get there. Oh, I'll stay alive. Good man.
Alpha secure.
Let's go. Dude, I was hurt by that nade. He saw me in that corner. Fuck. That did not go well for me. So we have the 2 cap. That means they're gonna try to rush B right now. The best chance is to swarm C. I'm not gonna do that.
Losing Bravo.
Get the 2-piece at the door.
We lost Bravo.
And then, because he knew I was coming there, there was no chance. I should have went all the way around back.
Enemy has
I was
B.
playing right there, but I did not execute. Wait, did I just see a guy or am I blind? Okay, I didn't see a guy, but that guy popped out. Grab C and B, go, go, go! You fucking got it, come on.
We lost
Shit, okay, I
Alpha.
gotta grab it. I gotta watch the top. Dude, fucking shot you in the dick. You should be dead. You cut my balls off. I shoot you in the dick. You should be dead. Not cool. By the way, this series is, if I even lose, I'm still gonna post it.
We've lost the lead.
It's just all about the grind. It's not about the win.
Securing Bravo.
But
Losing
if
Alpha.
we lose, it's still going up.
We lost Alpha.
But we got plays going on over at A.
It's
Got
down to
the
this.
plays.
Pick it up. Steady aim. Securing A.
I had to reload. I had no ammo. I had no ammo right there. How are we losing Bravo? You guys were all in
We
there.
lost Bravo.
Ah.
Alpha secure.
What?
Time's almost up.
Oh my
Enemy has
god,
Bravo.
we're gonna lose. No
Losing
way.
Alpha. He's in the open.
We're gonna lose right at the end,
Lost
too.
Alpha.
One shot on A. Don't call me out. That's asshole move. Cool.
Enemy has
Yeah, we
Charlie.
lost. Wow, we lost first episode. We lost. Goddamn.
A secure.
Said I'm gonna post it no matter what, but still, I wish I didn't lose the first episode. I dropped a 30 bomb. I played Slayer role. We had a 4 and 23 kid on my team. I mean, their team was pretty average, so I mean, I feel accomplished that they're all complaining about how good I am. They call it host. Dude, we did pretty good, I mean.
We'll be prepared next time.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, favorite, comment, subscribe, and look at the bottom. There's the Voltaic. Use the code Voltaic at Cinch Gaming or No Scope Glasses. You'll get a 5% off discount. You've got that. But hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.